Morning students, I am SK Vidyarthi, TGT Computer Science and GSS Darbhanga, and today I am going to talk you class 8 Computer Science and the first chapter, that is the computer networking, and this is the fifth day of this chapter. So I have already talked to you about the computer networking and hardware software. I have also talked to you about the transmission mediums. That would be two types, wired and wireless. I have already talked to you in the previous class: twisted pair cables, coaxial cables, and optical fiber cables. And in this video, I am going to talk you the wireless network media. So whenever we are connecting one system to another systems, one place to another place. So there is a transmission medium, and that medium is the wireless. So through rays we are connecting these systems, and in this rays we are utilizing the radio waves, microwaves, infrared, like that waves. See the category, there are the four broad category, that is the Bluetooth, infrared, Wi-Fi and the WinMax. Bluetooth, through this connections we are utilizing the radio waves. Big wavelength radio wave is here, and through Bluetooth we are connecting the very less distance, say as one mobile to another mobile. Whenever we are transferring the data and one system to another system, its distance is very less, and maximum distance is 10 meters, and through that's radio waves we are connecting and transferring the data. Second one, that is the infrared. By utilizing infrared we are also going to connect the two systems. Whenever we are using the remote in our house to transfer or to change the channels in the TV or the LCD. So in that case remote is utilizing the infrareds, and we can also utilize the infrareds whenever having the automatic door opening and closing. We are closing our car windows and opening the car window. So in that case we are using the infrareds. In infrareds, one of the big points, that is the advantage is here. This is traveling in the straight line. So whenever any struggles is coming in front of that infrared, then this is not working. Say for the example, whenever we are changing our TV channels through the remotes, and anybody is coming in front or in between the TV and the remote, then that remote is not working. So that is the big point. And again the Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. Through wireless fidelity, so we are going to connect, and it is making the network. We have the LAN, local area network, and through the local area network, through the wireless we are connecting the LAN. So this is the Wi-Fi. In this case we are generating a hotspot, and through that hotspot maximum 30 user can walk there, and the range is also fixed. 100 up to 100 meters we can connect this system through that Wi-Fi or the hotspots. And the next, that is the WinMax. WinMax is the worldwide interportabilities for the microwave access. For connecting the very long distances, we are using this WinMax connectivity. In this case we have to establish the towers, and through these towers we are making the microwaves. We are utilizing here microwave, and through these microwaves we are connecting the systems. And in this case the maximum distance, that is the 50 kilometers. So in between the 50 kilometers we have to make the towers, and that is generating the hotspots and connecting these systems and the networks. So this is the wireless network mediums we are utilizing whenever we are making the computer networking. So in this video we have learned about all those things, and the next video I will talk to you in next things. So how was this video. So you have to give me comments so I can do the improvements. Okay, thank you.